Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach us how to design a church flyer. Without wasting our time, let's get started. Okay, first of all, you go to your file, click on new, select our normal size, change to inches, 5 inches by 5 inches, resolution 400, then hit create. So you get something like this. Then the next thing you're going to do, come to your file, select this communion, drag it like this. Yes, then you increase it very, just increase, don't worry. Increase, then you hit OK. You come to your filter, you blur. Yes, hit OK. This is what we'll be using for our background. Don't show again. Then let's rotate it. Rotate like this. This is what we'll be using for our background. Hit OK. Then you fit to page. Next you are going to do, you are going to come to image, adjustment, then level to make it more lighter like this. Hit OK. So the next thing you are going to do, you come to your file, you pick this, you take it down. Hit OK. So you first of all convert it to this, then you click on this, you cut out this place because this is the main place you are going to be using. They how to cut it, Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Then you come to this other layout, then you delete it, shift it up, increase it a little bit, hit OK. Then you add your layer mask. Before that, you click on it, then you change it to light, soft light. Then you click on your layer mask, click on your brush around the edges. If it's not working, you change the font color to black. You click on like this, like this, like this. Hit OK. Can still increase it a little bit. Can change, just play with around this what's the name, the blending option, the one that fits more best. So I think I'll be going with this soft light, then reduce the opacity a little bit like this. Then before that, you convert it to both black and white so that the effect can come out very well. It's okay, you can see. Yes. So the next thing we are going to be doing, we are going to come again. Oh sorry, there's still a picture that is remaining, so let me check. Okay, it should be here. I'll drop, don't worry about the pictures, I'll be dropping the pictures for us for free, so no stressing yourself. So you're going to increase this picture, then you hit OK. Then you come here, you convert to black and white first of all. After converting, change to soft light. You can see how it is. You can still increase it a little bit if you wish. Then you hit OK. You add layer marks, then you click on your brush, just brush around the edges like this, sorry, just brush around the edges, just play around it like this. Then you reduce the opacity too. So Yeah, this is it. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to group them. Because these are our background. Control G. Group from layout, but the best thing, you just press Ctrl G, then you click on background, then you rename it to background like this. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to bring in our picture, the main focus, bring it in like this, click OK. The reason why I'm doing this like this night today is because I want people to understand how to work on background and the rest. So we click this. So we already have two color. We are going to be using two main color for this design tonight. Just two color. So before that, you take it down. So if you want to pick colors, this is where I pick most of my colors from. I do pick my colors from, because some of us will like ask, how do you get colors that you use for design? This is where I pick my colors from the image, the main image I'm using. So I'll come to this place. This is the color. So how do I get this color now? This is where I get this color from. Come like this, then you click on this, the darkest part of it. You select the darkest part of it, which is this place. You can see the color. So that's how I get. But if you are finding it hard to get the color, I've already, here is the color. This place, this is the color. So I'll be dropping them. Okay, let's just pick this to make it more easier. Ctrl C, you come to your Photoshop, click on this place, click on this, then paste. Ctrl V. You can see this is the second color. The first color is, you come to this one, you copy, come to your Photoshop. So that's the color. You Ctrl V. So you can see this is the color. It's only two color we are going to be using for our design today. So you click on this cycle, then if you click on it, you click, then this is the color. Yeah, boom, this is how it is. You reduce it a little bit, then you take them down just like this, then you can still increase it more like this, because this is our main focus communion service. So the next thing you are going to do is to play with our write-ups. So come here, these are the write-up I've already typed. So you Ctrl C, copy, then you click on your text, and boom, paste it, click OK. Then you come and select font like this. You can leave the font, but let's just change. Let me just leave the font like this, but let me to extra bold, then I increase the spacing to 200 so that it can have more spacing like this. Then you centralize them. So the next thing you are going to be doing is come to your words, then click copy communion service, Ctrl C, come to this place, click your text, Ctrl V, hit OK. So first of all, you reduce the spacing like this. So I'm going to be working on communion, so I'm going to cut out this communion, then paste it down. So I'll be breaking this text into 3, which is come. Then what's the next thing? Save M like this. Okay, like this. I'm going to use to the left hand side. Yeah, I'm going to change the font to Good Time. The name of the font is Good Time. Yeah, this is the font. Good Time. So I'm going to increase it. Increase like this. So before we do this next one, I would like to tell us something. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Just click on that subscription button below and do that now, please. Okay, let's continue. This is it. I'm going to shift it down a little bit. So to make this more more beautiful, I'm going to duplicate it, Ctrl J. Why am I duplicating it? In case I do any error, so that it will not waste my time again. So I'll hide the first one, then the upper one, then I'll right click, convert to shape, then I'll come to this place, I'll select my direction to, then I'll just select from here, you can see, and I'll now shift them, holding my control like this. You can see I'll do the same thing to this place. The reason being that I just want everything to be aligned with, like this. Shall we understand now? So this is it, because many people are wondering how I got it. So this will still maintain our same font, extra bold, then we'll change it to capital letter, all cap. Go to type option, then you click on it, all cap, then you can just increase it like this. Let me zoom so that we can see it more. Can increase and hit enter. So the next thing you are going to change our color, to be giving it a color. Let me group the both of them and shift it down like this. So we are going to be giving it color, so we are going to be using our color. So we'll come to this place. Let me click on service first. Let me change the color of the service. We click on this, yes. So the same thing to this one, communion, you right click, blending option, then color overlay, then you hit this place, then you pick it and hit OK. Yes, this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do, you are going to select this right up and take it down behind this cup to make it look more real. Hope you are following. Please don't forget to like. If you know you've not liked the video, please don't forget to like. So the next thing I'm going to do, let's play on with this. So I'm going to increase it up a little bit, yes, like this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is my date, time and venue. So that's the next step we are going to do. So let me reduce this a little bit. I think it's kind of big. Reduce it like this a little bit, bring it down, then hit OK. So before that, let's just work on this shadow so that it can look more real. One of the easiest way to work on shadow is this. You click on your right click, you click on create new layer, then you click on your brush, just click on anywhere like this, or sorry, you can just pick your alt key and click on the color, pick, and you right click, you click on this thing, then you reduce it like this. If you've been following me lately, recently, I know you by now, you should have known how to do all this. If you know you've been following me recently, creating this shadow should not be an issue for you. So I'll shift it down a little bit. So I'll now drag it down. You can see how it is. So I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to duplicate that shadow, Ctrl J, so that I can bring it to the bread too. So I'll just work on it straight then I'll duplicate it again, Ctrl J, then I'll take it up like this, but I'm going to reduce the opacity. So this is not good, so let me just delete. Then this down one, I'll just reduce the opacity a little bit so we can see how it is. So the next thing I'm going to do is to work on our venue. Ctrl C, select, Ctrl C, then paste. So we are going to be using a font called Bank. Bank Light, like this. So we are going to be reducing the spacing in between the spacing in between to -25, come like this. So we are going to be breaking this text into different segments. Like for example, first of all, break it to dummy, convert it to right hand side. Sorry for that. I'm sorry. So to dummy. So the next thing you are going to be doing, you're going to break in this place and bar. Yes, I'm going to select all the spacing. I'm going to reduce it to 50. Then I'm going to reduce it like this. The spacing in between the text to 5. Hit OK. We can all see. I think the spacing is too much. Let's reduce it to 100. Then this to 4. Or let's use 4.5. Hit OK. It just depends on the text or the size of text you are using. So you can just play around while doing your own and see what works for you best. So the next thing I'm going to be, we will bring our icon. This icon, please focus on this because this is going to be kind of different. So you just reduce it, reduce. Don't mind the color because you're not going to be using the color. So like this, I'm going to reduce, shift it. So the next thing I'm going to do, you are going to right click, go to a blend option, you all click on your stroke. Remember our color that we are using, so you just pick it so that everything will not look different. Use one stroke, then you hit OK. Then the next thing, you come to your field and reduce the field. So this is it. This is how we get this beautiful effect. So the next thing I'm going to do, come to our Hadith, then we'll pick this tag here. Ctrl C, we'll use our text, or we'll just let's duplicate this, Ctrl T, then paste it directly. So it will give us something like this. Then we'll now break the text into 2 like this. Then you convert it to right hand side. Hit OK. Hit OK. Then you shift it up like this. Then OK. So the next thing I'm going to do now is the dates and the time. So you come to this. These are the date and the time. Ctrl C. You paste them. Then you break them apart like this. Yeah, something like this. Break them apart. Then you select all. We'll change the font. Size. To this. Then you reduce the spacing in between to 6. Yeah, to 6. Then we'll use heavy. Then we select all. The spacing in between is just too small, so we use 0. No, let's use 50. Then you convert to what? Right hand side. You convert to right hand side like this. Then we are going to change the color of this to this color. So we'll come to this place, select this color, hit OK. Then we'll change from heavy to semi bold like this. Then you hit OK. I know most of us will be complaining this is not coming out. So like this, we take it up a little bit. So to work on this, just come, you select only this, then you click on your color, then you just select a darker portion of it like this and hit OK. Ctrl Z, sorry for that, and hit OK. So something like this, we can see how beautiful the design is. Then you click on this, your two color, and you delete them because we don't want them again. So the next thing, you're going to come to this place, you pick your cycle, then you just drag like this. You use this, we just want the outline like this, then we increase the outline to 2. 2. Hit OK, then you click on it, like this. Just an effect, it's not a must, but you can see how it is. So just to make it look more beautiful. So the next thing I'm going to do without wasting our time is the main thing, how to add some effect on it. So this is it. Before, number one effect you are going to add, you are going to be adding light from this side. So you create your new layer, then you go to your brush, then change the color to yellow, light yellow, hit OK. Then you can increase it and like this. Then you come change the blending mode, just play with the blending mode. I think anyone that you know that is it work best for you can increase it like this, but I think screen will be more better. So screen is okay, it's okay. I'll shift this down a little bit like this. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to click on this communion, you go to your filter, camera raw, just play with it, increase the contrast a little bit, this texture a little bit, clarity a little bit, hit OK. So we can see. So the last thing we are going to do, we are going to click on Ctrl Shift Alt E, Ctrl Shift Alt E, and you go to your filter, you go to camera raw, want to color grade it, then increase the contrast a little bit, reduce the highlight a little bit, come to your texture, you increase your texture to make it look more beautiful, increase your clarity, and you reduce your saturation like this. So the next thing you are going to come to your details, click on details, increase the sharpening like this. Then the next thing you come to your effects, so you just reduce this a little bit, then and you hit what OK. But you can still play with your color grading if you feel like. So this is it, just play with it, anything you feel like, any color you feel like getting, you just play with it, around it. I think this color speak more better. Yes, this color is more better. Can just still work on this highlight a little bit. So just depend on what you want, sha. I think I love this. Before, after, before, after. So the last thing I'm going to do, you come to your filter, you go to your noise, add noise, then you what? Add noise to it. Use 20. So you can see how beautiful the work is. Please, if you know you enjoy what you are seeing and you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you. I love you.